Starting one of these wood fire stoves is a pretty simple process. Right there we have about 3 loads of firewood. We'll get into the firewood a little bit later, but you really just start out with some paper and some super dry small stuff to get going. So that's kind of, every time you start a fire, that's kind of your base. You want to get that going first, and then you'll load up one load, let it run out for half hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour tops, and then you load it up again and we're ready to be ready to sauna. But we'll bring you through that process. Got a pretty good little base going there. Actually 2 big logs and a couple small ones. We'll probably load 1 more in there, but usually it's typically 2 to 4 depending on your size. You can see those ones are just a little bit bigger, but we're gonna let that run. We will shut this and we'll keep our MAF at about half full and just let her go to town. Now with that MAF, of course, it's almost like a Weber grill. The more you keep it open, the more air, the hotter you're gonna get, but the faster it's gonna burn out. If you shut her, it'll slow it down quite a bit, and yeah, your fire will last longer, but it won't get as hot. So yeah, we're just gonna let that run for a little bit. She's gonna get hot inside. If you see these straps on it, that's because this client, he bought it with the trailer. That's a drop-down trailer, and we're taking it out to Bozeman this week. But yeah, we're just gonna let that sucker start getting hot, and then we'll come back and check on it in about half an hour. So we are all ready to go. It's been about 1 hour and 15. And let's check it out again. Oh yeah, I think we'll put 1 more. We'll put 1 more in there. There we go. So you can kind of see what we started with, where we're at now, and let's go take our sauna. And yes, I am out here in saddles and snow. We are going to do this.